so you apply those things in the real life settings where you're having the people problems. And it works, and it becomes very effective, and so you kind of rebuild your ability to communicate with people that you were not able to communicate. And as we were able to communicate, and as Matt was able to, as you were able to kind of be a go-between as needed, at first a lot, and then less and less, we repaired our leadership relationship, and we were able to move forward and put changes in place that are really positive changes.